Keep it, keep it, keep it. Keep. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. In today's video, I want to prepare pancake. So, sorry if you don't know me or if you've not come across my video for the first time. My name is Treasure and I have two lovely girls. This is one of them. This is one of them at my back. So let me show you guys my ingredient. Bring the camera closer. So here is egg, this is onion, this is pepper. Don't be scared, I'm not going to use all of this pepper. This is vegetable oil, this is milk, powder milk. You can also use liquid milk if you don't have powder milk. So this is flour, this is the main ingredient, and this is salt. So first I will mix my flour. So this is my flour. This is flour and this is water. So I'll put it. I'll mix it like this. Mix it very well. I'll add milk. And then I'll mix it. So it is well mixed. So now I'll wash my egg. Now let's pound pepper. I'll add my pepper. I'll add my salt. I'll add my salt. And this is sugar. This is one ingredient that will make it super. Without sugar, it's not pancake. So now I'll test it. Wow. Add more sugar. So now I'll add my onion. This is onion, egg, and then I'll stir it. I'll mix it very well. Mama, sorry. Don't sit down there. So it is well mixed. It's time to fry our pancake. So guys, because of breeze and sun, I don't want sun to hit my baby. I had to change position. So it's time to fry the pancake. This is my vegetable oil. It's your pancake?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start.
This is my
oil.
salt.
It's not me that stopped Abbas from coming back.
Yeah.
And I'll call to come back. So now that's my own Israel. Mama, carry this one and grab it.
Okay.
It's hot though. Keep it, keep it, keep it. Keep it. Mama, what is that? Eat. So yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We are almost done. So guys, our pancake is almost ready. Let me test it. It's hot though. Oh, so hot. You're laughing at me. Oh. This is more than delicious. Fantastic. This one is burnt. Oh, hey. The last one. My baby is sleeping. Sleeping Beauty. So guys, our pancake is deliciously ready. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.